Okay, so in this problem they want to know what equation has the roots -3 and 5. So I don't actually like to use the choices here. I like to work backwards because we're told that x equals -3 and we're told that x equals 5. So we can work backwards a little bit. Here if I add 3 to both sides of this equation, right, where x equals 3, I get x plus 3 equals 0. And what this tells me is that, well, if x was -3, that's a root, right? If I plug -3 in for x, I should get 0. That's the whole point of this factoring process. And here, if you look at what we just did, we added 3 to both sides, that got us our 0. And now we have this expression here on the left, where if we plug in x for -3, and -3 for x, and add 3, we do get 0. So that means as I start to build this equation, we have x plus 3 as one of our terms. Here, for the other equation, we can just do the opposite. Here we added 3 to both sides because we had -3. Well, now we have positive 5. So subtract 5 from both sides, and we get x minus 5 equals 0. And this makes sense. If x is 5, in this equation, 5 minus 5 is 0. So our other expression is x minus 5. And now these two multiplied together will give us our original quadratic, because when these roots were found originally, right, this product equals 0. Think about how you usually reach this stage, have to find the x values that give you 0. We're just working in reverse here. So now I just multiply all the pairs that I distribute. X times x, that's x squared. X times -5 minus 5x. 3 times x is plus 3x. And 3 times -5 is -15. Right? And we can set this equal to y now, not just 0, because we're trying to find the general equation here. -5x plus 3x, that's -2x, right? And we have minus 15. So we have x squared minus 2x minus 15 equals y. And this makes sense. The two factors, if you start with this equation originally, the two factors that multiply a -15 but add a -2 are 5 and -3, right? So I just solved this problem in reverse. If you don't like that, what I would do is, to kind of understand what I was saying, actually start with the answer here and factor it out to think about the relationship. If they give you the roots, how do you build the original equation? So this is choice 2. Thanks.